Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. If you happen to be new here, my name is Geneva. In today's video, we're going to get into a new handbag unboxing. I just picked up the Longchamp Le Pliage mini bag. So if you've been considering it and you want to know if it's worth the hype, how can you make it into a crossbody, how can you accessorize it, and also what it looks like on a mid-size frame, then you've stumbled on the right video. If you like content like this, then please consider subscribing to my channel and coming back often. Let's go ahead and jump in. We are going to jump straight into this unboxing. Here's the bag that it came in because of course you already know I purchased this from Bloomingdale's. Y'all know how much I love them. And so here are some scissors. Let me go ahead and get this open. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. And here she is. So here's our little cutie. This is, like I said earlier, the Longchamp Le Pliage mini bag. And the color that I got this in is Cognac. If you're like me and you love to go into all the details, let's get into this little cutie and discuss all of her features. The first thing that you're going to see is that this is a top handle bag, so adorable. And the top handle is leather. Then there is a flap on it with the Longchamp logo, which is also leather. That's what it looks like. And then you'll see on the back here, it just says Longchamp as well. And then we're gonna turn her around and open her up. So as far as closures go, she does have this snap button with the silver hardware, but you can also zip it up and you'll see the pull tab has Longchamp on it as well with the logo. We'll pull this back. And on the inside, you receive care instructions from Longchamp, and inside it is just one big pocket. So there's no additional anything. It's very simple and sleek, and I think it would be good to fit a bunch of stuff in here. We will check that out in a little second. And then at both ends, you will see that it has the leather here too, and it's lined with lime green. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't hate it, but I don't know if I love it. So that's what is on both of the ends of it. And then the rest of the bag is a nylon. I am obsessed with this color. It's such a rich, beautiful cognac color. I think it would be perfect for the fall, but also the spring and the summer. It's like an all year round bag. And she's small, and I specifically got this because I wanted something that when we're going to the pool and I just need to carry our, pool passes or something small and I don't need a lot of things. I just wanted something really small and cute, and I wanted it because I'm hoping that it will match my Tory Burch Miller cloud sandals. So I will grab those later on in the video and we'll check and see if that works. But this is overall all the specs on her. The dimensions on the website says that it is just a little bit over 6 inches long and a little bit over 4 inches in height. So it's a cute little mini bag. I went shopping for accessories on Amazon. So let's take this little cutie from just being cute to actual functional. So I grabbed a scarf. I'll pull this out. It came with a set of 2. So I'll show them both to you. This is a black one, but the one that I'm specifically interested in, or the one that I got, is this cream color one because I wanted something that's very neutral that will go with the bag. I didn't want it to clash with the bag, and I thought it had this like brown tones in it, so I'm hoping it'll look really, really cute on here. And I will have everything that I mentioned, if I'm able to link it, it will be linked in my LTK in the description down below. So that's what that looks like. I also grabbed this cute little chain from Amazon. It's pearl and silver. So I'm thinking I can just put this on both ends. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so cute. Okay, I'm getting excited. And the last thing that I grabbed is a way for us to make this a crossbody bag. I'm hoping that it's the perfect color match. We're gonna find out together. So here's some of the hardware. All right, let me just open up this and see. I think it's the perfect match. Okay, So the stitching is not the same. This is the crossbody strap that I got from Amazon. And you'll see that the stitching on this is like a white or a cream. And the bag, the stitching matches, it's like that cognac color that matches the color of the leather. So I do not like that at all. I don't think it's that big of a, is it that big of a deal breaker for me? I'm not sure. We're still gonna put her on and see what it looks like. But if you're looking at this, I just wanna make sure that you're aware that the stitching is not the same. All right, I went ahead and put one strap on, so that seemed very simple and easy to do. What you're gonna do is attach the clasp to this right here. Simple as that. And then you're gonna take it and attach it to the actual strap. So there it is wrapped around, and then you just hook it like that. And now she is on. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but it has multiple holes where you can adjust the length of the strap. So if you're taller, hopefully this will work. We'll try it out in a second. And if you're shorter, you would have that option as well. And the next thing I want to do is to add our chain on. And I think I'm going to add it to this same hook right here. Okay, that went on really easy. So I attached it to the same hook that the strap is on. And I'm gonna do that same thing on this other side. I'm sorry, but how cute is that? That is absolutely adorable. Okay, the last thing that we need to do now that we have the strap on and we have our little bag charm, I want to add this scarf to it. So this scarf is from Amazon. It is 100 centimeters in length. So in case this works out for me, if you're looking to, because they had 1,000,001 colors to choose from. So yeah, this is the one that I got, and let's go ahead and try and add her onto the bag. Okay, I don't know how this is going to work, but I'm gonna show you guys as best as I can. The first thing that I'm gonna do is to take the scarf where it's tied in half, and I'm going to put that over the strap. I want to try and cover our makeshift strap. So I am going to put this in half and tie a knot. Okay, so all I've done so far is just to attach it and tie a knot. I am then going to take one side, wrap it around the handle. So I just wrapped it around once. And with the other side, I'm gonna come down, wrap it around, cross the other one over, and wrap it around and cross it over. So I think for the rest of it, I'm gonna see if I can set this down and bring the camera down so that way you can see it better. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far. So I'm just going to cross this over, bring this piece down and around. Cross that over, bring this one down and come over. And I'm trying to get it as tight as I possibly can. Now that I'm at the very end, I am just going to tie this into a knot. So here's what this little cutie looks like, all accessorized with her little scarf and her chains. And what's really great about this is even though you have all of these things, you can tuck it back and still easily get inside the bag. So now let's see what can fit in here. I just grabbed some random things, and here is going to be the first test whether or not this is going to work for me if my phone fits. This is a case for an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Perfect. She perfectly fits in there. Next, I just grabbed a card case. Always need some type of mints or gum, anything to freshen up that breath. Hand sanitizer, you know, I love my touch lint. Stick that in there. I always carry a fragrance around with me. Lip gloss is a must. And then the last thing, I just grabbed some blotting papers. So we'll put that in there, and now let's see if we can close her up. And I feel like this is everything in there. And I feel like there's still room to put other stuff in. So I feel like she fits a decent amount of things, and I don't feel as though I need an organizer or anything. And she closes. Let's put her straps back over. And yeah, how cute is that? So I just went and grabbed my Tory Burch Miller Cloud sandals, and I went to the website just to verify the name of these because I could have sworn they were called Caramello, but the website says that they're bourbon. Anyways, these are the sandals that I own, and here's the bag. Tell me that is not a perfect match. I am so happy that I picked this up because I'm sorry, but this is just beyond too cute with my little sandals. Now I will try it on so you can see what it looks like on a mid-size frame to see whether or not this is something that will work for you. So with our conversion kit from Amazon, I have it on the last hole. You'll see there are multiples. And this is what she looks like as a crossbody. You will see that she hits me right at my waist, which I think is a perfect place for it to fall. And she just looks so cute. I did put on my Tory Burch sandals just so you could see what it would look like with those on. But yeah, I think this is just so cute, and I think she's perfect. So I am 5'7" in height for reference, and then clothing wise, I'm usually like a 12 to a 14. So maybe this will look like on you if you also have a mid-size frame. I don't think that it's too small or anything. I actually think that it's perfect, and yeah, I think the bag is perfect. The last thing that I wanted to mention is, of course, the price. This little cutie retails for $100 US. Comment down below and let me know if you think that she is worth it. I absolutely think she's worth it because I had a Bloomingdale's gift card for $25 off. So I got her for $75. And after I accessorized her by adding on the chain and the crossbody strap and also the scarf, I think it's absolutely adorable. So yeah, let me know your thoughts, sound off if this is something that you would rock this summer. All right, that wraps up today's video. If you like this unboxing, then please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you like content like this, fashion, beauty, travel, then please consider subscribing to my channel and coming back often. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for all of your support. All right, bye.